In this video we are going to show you how to replace the cable attached to the front pulley system in the Kratos Dual-Stack Multi-Gym. We recommend replacing the cables in your machine's pulley systems every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage frequency. Over time, the cables will be subject to general wear and tear from use and may result in reduced machine performance due to tension loss. Not only this, but it is important to replace pulley cables for safety reasons. A weak or damaged pulley cable could potentially snap during a workout, causing injury to you or others. For this reason, regular maintenance of the machine, including replacing the cables, is crucial. The cable in Kratos' front pulley system runs upwards through the top frame of the machine. It sits inside idler pulley bearings before running down to the double pulley system and back up again. To replace this cable, you have to remove the bolt that holds the cable head in place as shown. Using a size 14 or size 17 spanner, loosen the nut. Hold the bolt and cable in place as you do this. Remove the bolt, keeping the tension in the cable by pulling it upwards and out of its place in the machine. Be careful not to drop the cable here, as it will cause the lower dual pulley system to also drop, which could result in injury or damage to your floor. Slowly lower the cable until the entire pulley system is placed gently on the floor. From here, replacing the cable is very straightforward. Remove the cable from the pulley system and gently drag it out from the machine. If the cable gets jammed at any point, you may have to maneuver it in a way that it comes out easily. The next step is to feed the new pulley cable back into the machine. Start by feeding it slowly into the dual pulley system at the front of the machine. From here, the cable should run upwards and through the top pulley bearing system. Insert the cable into the opening of the frame and using the gaps in the top and bottom of the frame, apply slight pressure with your fingers to ensure the cable is guided straight through the frame. Once the cable head emerges at the other side of the frame, gently pull it all the way out. It is important that the cable is sitting correctly inside the bevel of each idle pulley bearing. This will not only make it easier to smoothly pull through the machine, but it will also prevent any damage to the new cable. Gently pull the cable downwards until the larger metal end of the cable stops automatically inside the static front dual pulley system. Taking the bottom dual pulley system from the floor, slowly feed the cable inside, pulling it out the other end and creating enough tension to fully raise the dual system off the ground. Get the bolt, nut and washers which you removed earlier ready for reattachment. Put the bolt through the cable head and then directly through the attachment loop on the machine. It will take a small amount of force to pull the cable upwards and through the loop. Holding the bolt in place, reattach the washer and nut. Use a spanner to tightly secure the bolt. We advise checking the functionality of the new cable by slowly pulling on the front cable and trying out different weight levels. Please only use this new cable system if you are certain that everything is in place and functioning correctly. Your new cable should now be ready for use on your Kratos Dual Stack Multi-Gym.